So good morning all. Today we'll discuss about vector integration. So what is vector? In vector integration today I'll discuss about line integral. The topic is line integral. What is line integral? Line integral is an integral where the function to be integrated along a curve. Okay. Suppose here I have taken one curve a comma b. Along this curve we are integrating the given function. Okay. So here let r bar is equal to, I have taken f bar of t, define a smooth curve. This is a one smooth curve C joining points between A and B. Then the given integral can be written as integral C f bar dot dr bar. F bar dot dr bar. What is f here? Where capital F is nothing but force and r bar is nothing but position vector. R bar is nothing but we are taking as position vector. That position vector I can write in the form of xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Okay, and what is dr bar? Distance. It indicates distance. Okay, so this is our f bar dot dr bar. Okay, line integral. What is line integral? Line integral is an integral where the function to be integrated along a curve. So here I have taken one curve C between the points A and B. So this integral I can write in the form of integral of C. This C belongs to curve f bar dot dr bar, where f is nothing but force and r bar is nothing but position vector, which we can write as xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, and dr bar is nothing but distance between the 2 points. So here other types of line integrals also we can write in the forms of other types of line integrals. Other types of line integrals we can write like integral C f bar cross dr bar and integral C phi dot dr bar. These type of line integrals also we can write. So what is meant by line integral? Line integral is an integral where the function to be integrated along a curve. So here I have taken curve C between the points A and B. I have integrated the given curve between the points A and B like in the form of f bar dot dr bar. Here what is f? F is nothing but force vector and r bar is nothing but position vector xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Dr is nothing but distance. So f bar dot dr bar is nothing but force is into distance with along the curve C in the points between the points A and B. Okay. Now we'll discuss about one problem in line integral. So take the problem. First problem, evaluate. One simple problem. Now I'll discuss. Evaluate integral C f bar dot dr bar. Okay, where f bar is equal to x square I bar plus y square j bar. Okay, this is our force vector. They have given x square I bar plus y square j bar, and C is the curve. C is the curve. So here curve is given one parabola which is symmetrical about y-axis. That is y is equal to x square in the xy plane. In the xy plane from 0, 0 to 1, 1. In between these points, they have given one curve y is equal to x square with the force vector x square I bar plus y square j bar. We have to find line integral this curve along the force vector x square I bar plus y square j bar. Now, first what we have to take one position vector. Take the solution now. Take the solution. Let position vector I am taking as, let r bar is equal to, let r bar is equal to, I am taking xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Let r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Okay, and dr bar is equal to its distance ma, dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar. Okay, and what we have to find? Integral c f bar dot dr bar. So integral c along the curve f bar dot dr bar is equal to integral c. The given curve is y is equal to x square, no? So integral c, what is your f bar? F bar is nothing but x square I bar plus y square j bar. Okay, into actually what they have given, since the curve is in xy plane, since the curve is in xy plane, so automatically z value is equal to 0. So automatically what it will become? R bar will become xi bar plus yj bar only, because the curve is in xy plane, no? So automatically z value is equal to 0. Okay, so xi bar. So in the solution, what we have taken now, let r bar is equal to, okay, your position vector xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. But our curve is in what they have given, it is in xy plane. Since the given curve is in xy plane, since the given curve is in xy plane, so z value is equal to 0. So automatically what r bar will become? Xi bar plus yj bar only, because z value is 0. Since the given curve is in xy plane, z value is equal to 0. So what is your dr bar? Its distance vector is dxi bar plus dyj bar. Dxi bar plus dyj bar. Now, what is the given curve they have given? What they have given, ma? Y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square. So, along a curve means you have to take either all y variables in terms of x or all x variables in terms of y. Any with one variable, you have to integrate either with respect to x, either with respect to y based on your given curve. Okay, so here I am taking y is equal to x square is your given curve, no? So I am taking dy is equal to, what is dy value, ma? So its value will become 2x dx. That means we are changing all y variables in terms of x. So limits also we have to take, ma, in terms of x only. So what are the limits they have given for x? 0 to 1. X limits are from 0 to 1. So this is the first. R bar is the position vector, which is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Since the given curve is in xy plane, so automatically z value is equal to 0. Here take z value is equal to 0, ma. So what R bar will become? Xi bar plus yj bar. What is dr bar? Dxi bar plus dyj bar. What is the given curve we have? Y is equal to x square. What is dy here? 2x dx. So we are changing all y variables in terms of x kabatti. Then we have to write limits also in terms of x. What are the x limits we have to take, ma? 0 to 1. Now, what is your integral value? Integral c f bar dot dr bar is equal to integral c f bar. What is your f bar, ma? Given force vector, what they have given? X square I bar plus y square j bar. And what you got for dr bar? Dx I bar plus dy j bar. dx I bar plus dy j bar. If you multiply the corresponding vectors, I bar dot I bar will become 1. So what you'll get only x square dx plus j bar dot j bar will become 1. So what you'll get y square dy. Now this curve, along which comma we have taken y is equal to x square, which is a parabola symmetrical about y axis. Now you have to change either all x variables in terms of y or all y variables in terms of x. Either line integral means you have to integrate any with one variable, like with respect to x or with respect to y. Now here I am changing all y variables in terms of x, and I am writing limits also for x. So integral x is equal to 0 to 1. Here there is no change because already it is in terms of x. So x square dx plus what given? What is the value of y given? X square. Here y square is there, no? So in the place of y, if you substitute x square whole square, and dy is nothing but 2x dx. Now integral x is equal to 0 to 1 x square dx plus x square whole square is nothing but x power 4 into 2x dx. Okay. Now integral x is equal to 0 to 1. Simplify So x square dx plus 2x into x power 4, 2x power 5 dx. Overall, I am taking common dx. From both the terms, I am taking common dx. So integral x is equal to 0 to 1. If you take common dx, x square plus 2x power 5 of dx. Then integrate with respect to x. Then integrate with respect to x. When integrating with respect to x, what you will get? So integral x is equal to 0 to 1. Separately, I am integrating x square dx plus 2 constant, take it out. Integral x is equal to 0 to 1 x power 5 dx. Now integrate what is integration formula? Integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So when integrating, what you'll get? X square integration x cube divided by 3. The limits you have to write as 0 to 1 plus 2 constant, take it out. And what is x power 5 integration? X power 6 by 6 in between the integral 0 to 1. Now, when taking in the place of x your upper limit, when taking x is 1, what it will become? 1 cube divided by 3. When taking in the place of x is 0, its value will become 0. Plus, in the similar way here also, 2 into, when taking x is 1, it is 1 by 6, 1 power 6 divided by 6, plus when taking x is 0, 0 by anything, its value will become 0. So what is your overall value? 1 cube is 1. So 1 by 3 plus here 2 into 1 power 6. It is 2 only. 2 by 6. 2 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 3. So what it will become? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay. So what is its answer? Answer is 2 by 3. Therefore, integral C f bar dot dr bar is equal to 2 by 3. This is our first problem. Okay. Along our force vector f bar is equal to x square I bar plus y square j bar. X I bar plus y square j bar. Clear, ma? So what is line integral? Line integral is an integral where the function to be integrated along a curve. Okay. So here suppose f bar of t, define a smooth curve C joining a points A and B. Then the integral can be written as integral C into f bar dot dr bar. What is meant by f bar? It is a position vector. Okay. R bar is nothing but force vector. So dr bar is nothing but distance vector between the points A and B. So f bar dot dr bar, how to write So force vector into dr bar, if you write, then automatically we can evaluate the integral. So take the second problem. Second problem. Find the work done find the work done in moving a particle in the force field F bar is equal to 3x square I bar plus 2xz minus y into j bar plus zk bar along the line from 0, 0 to 2, 1, 3. This they have given ma. So here what is F bar? F bar is nothing but 3x square I bar plus 2xz minus y into j bar plus zk bar. Here what is the curve they have given? One straight line equation. You have to find straight line equation. That straight line equation you have to treat as curve. Okay. So here ma, first we'll find the curve. So what is your curve ma? Straight line. So what is your given curve? Along the line. First find the line ma. Find the line. So take these points are x1, y1, z1. These points are x2, y2, z2. What is straight line formula ma? Straight line formula for finding line equation formula. Okay. X minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1, which is equivalent OA. Our points are, one is origin point and this I am taking as capital A. So equivalent OA is, how to equivalent ma? X minus, what is your x1 point? 0 divided by x2 minus x1, which is nothing but 2 minus 0 is equal to y minus y1. So y minus your y1 value is nothing but 0 divided by y2 minus y1, which is nothing but 1 minus 0 is equal to z minus z1 is nothing but 0 divided by z2 minus z1, 3 minus 0, which I am equaling with t. So what is my x value ma? X is equal to 2t, comma, y is equal to t, and z is equal to 3t. These are my parametric equations. These are my parametric equations, which are x is equal to 2t and y is equal to t and z is equal to 3t. Now, all are in terms of t, no? I have to change my force vector x, y, z in terms of t. So I have to write my points also in terms of t. So what points they have given for x ma? First, when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, what is t value ma? 0 is equal to t. When x is equal to 0, t value is equal to 0. When x is equal to, what is the another point? X is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, what is t value? 2 is equal to 2t, which is nothing but t value is equal to 1. When x is equal to 0, t value is equal to 0. When x is equal to 2, t value is equal to 1. In the similar way, ma, when y is equal to 0, when y is equal to 0 implies t value is equal to 0. When y is equal to 1, when y is equal to 1, that implies t value equal to 1. All points equal if you observe. When x is 0, t is 0. When x is 2, t value 1. In the similar way, when y is 0, t value 0. When y is 1, t value is equal to 1. In the similar way here, ma, when z is 0, t value is equal to 0. When z is equal to these points I am taking ma. X is 0, t value 0. X is 2, I got t value 1. The same point I should get to integrate. Okay. So when y is 0, t value 0. When y is 1, I got t value 1. When z is 0, I got t is equal to 0. When z is equal to 3, I got 3 is equal to 3t, which t value is equal to 1. T value equal to 1. So overall, what is the point you got, ma? Overall, what is the point you got? T value is equal to 0 to 1. Okay, what is the line parametric equations you got? X is equal to 2t, y is equal to t, z is equal to 3t. Okay, now ma, substitute, take f bar dot dr bar, and in that is you substitute ma. So first integral c f bar dot dr bar is equal to integral c. What is your f bar? F bar is nothing but your force vector. What they have given? 3x square I bar plus 2xz minus y into j bar plus zk bar. Okay, this is our force vector. And what is dr bar? Dx I bar plus dy j bar plus dz k bar. Okay. Now multiply ma, integral c. Corresponding vectors you multiply. If you multiply with I bar dot j bar, its value will become 0. With I j bar into k bar, it will become 0. So I bar you multiply ma. What you'll get? 3x square dx plus j bar dot j bar is 1. So 2xz minus y into dy plus k bar dot k bar is 1, z into dz. So this is our f bar dot dr bar. This is our f bar dot dr bar. Take this as equation 1 ma. Take this as equation 1. Now again you rewrite your parametric equations. X is equal to 2t. So in the place of x I can write 2t. So what is its derivative ma? If I want to change my all variables in terms of t, dx is equal to what it will become? 2 into dt. And what is my second parametric equation? Y is equal to t. So what is my dy? Dy equal to dt. And what is my third parametric equation? Z is equal to 3t. What is my dz? Dz is equal to 3 into dt. And overall, what you got my point? T value is equal to 0 to 1. Substitute all these values in equation 1. So integral c f bar dot dr bar will become integral t is equal to 0 to 1. Change all terms in terms of t. So 3 into 2t whole square dx means 2 into dt plus here 2 into x means 2t into z means 3t, okay, minus y means t into dy means dt plus z means 3t, dz means 3 into dt. Z means 3 into dt. Now integral t equal to 0 to 1, simplify. 3 2s are 6. 3, 2 square value 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 into 2 ma 24. Okay, 2 square, the square for both the terms, no? So 2 square value 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. 24 into t square dt. 24 into t square dt plus here ma, what you'll get? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12t square, okay, minus t of dt plus here ma 3 3s are 90 dt. Ma overall I am taking common t dt. Overall I am taking common dt. So t is equal to 0 to 1. What I'll get? See, 24t square, okay, plus 12t square, okay, minus t plus 90 of dt. Okay, so ma t equal to 0 to 1, simplify ma. So 12t square plus 24t square plus 12t square, so which is nothing but 36t square, which is nothing but 36t square. Okay, next minus t plus 90, minus t plus 90, what you'll get ma? Plus 8t of dt, of dt. Now simplify ma. So 36 into t square integration, t cube divided by 3 plus 8 into t integration ma, t square divided by 2. Limits are 0 to 1. Limits are 0 to 1. Now 3 ma. Any times put 12 times. So 12 into t cube. Okay. Plus this is 4 times ma. Plus 4 into t square. Limits you have to substitute 0 to 1. When taking t is equal to 0, what you will get ma? When taking t is equal to 0, t equal to 1. Upper limit we have to substitute 1 no. So 12 into first 1 cube plus 4 into 1 square. This is your upper limit minus when taking t is equal to 0, 12 into 0 cube plus 4 into 0 square. Okay. Now, so these values will become 0 no. Second part will become 0. So what is your answer? 12 plus 4, which is nothing but 16. So what we have taken here? First we have written force vector F bar. Then what are the, we have the given curve here, line. So what is the line equation? X minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1. We have substituted our points and we have framed line equation. So our parametric equation we got ma, x is equal to 3t 2t, y equal to t, z is equal to 3t. So we have taken x limits for finding t limits, and we are taken y limits for finding t limits. We are taken z limits for finding t limits. Overall, we got common limits for t is 0 to 1. So I have substituted. What answer we got ma? 16. Okay. Thank you ma. Thank you.